Welcome all of you today in the first webinar in this year in the headquarters of the Screennet in Wrocław.
Hello.
We are here to speak about the most important things focused on the trailers MobiLED and PlatformLED. We are here also to answer all of the questions which you get for us and for our designer which one is here today with us.
Hello.
We are here also with the sales team, Joanna.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And Michael.
Hello.
Today we are here to answer all of the questions which you get, so please write it down for us on the chat. We will wait for it and answer them in the future, in the end of the part of the webinar. And now also we will answer the questions which are the most common in the last year to prepare you for a conversation with us in the future.
Exactly.
One of the main questions which was the most important asked for a customer from us, it's what's the main difference in between the MobiLED and the PlatformLED?
Yes, the past few months been very successful for us, and our best sellers, which is PlatformLED and MobiLED, currently brings more questions about, especially for the new clients, what's the difference and why should I choose PlatformLED or why should I choose MobiLED? So first off, we need to focus on the same goal that both of the trailers serve, which is mobile LED advertising, rental business, showcases, and so on. Both trailers have common features, which is of course the screen. Both trailers can have the screen from 15 square meters up to 28 square meters. The screen is rotatable 360 degrees. You can have extra features as a remote controller, wirelessly operating your screen, a dual axle,
Wind sensor.
the wind sensor, of course, the equipment storage in both. We will go into this in more details later on. But basically, the understructure and the basic idea and the purpose of both trailers are the same. But what are the differences between the trailers? As you already noticed, one of those have the walls and another one doesn't. So what's the advantage if you choose the PlatformLED? First, and the most important, we believe, is the feature where you can change the screen position. With PlatformLED, the open board unit, it allows you to put the screen maximum to the top and also to the very low to the board. So you can display your content also while having the screen a little bit lower. It might be useful and needed in several different scenarios of your business model for the rental business, but also for the smaller crowds of people.
In certain type of the events, like
Exactly.
outdoor cinemas, it might be.
Yes, like
the audience is quite close to the screen.
Yes, so for smaller audiences, it might be useful, or any other idea of yours. And another thing going ahead along the way is that with PlatformLED you can have a little bit more stage design arrangements around it. So I saw this kind of ideas in France when we have visited our client, where they use a lot of decoration around the screen with the board,
Sound
with the stage in the
system as
front,
well.
yeah.
sound system, so it gives you a little bit more space for creativity. And also this allows you to widen up your offer for the clients, and it gives you this creativity and the advantage over the MobiLED.
But generally, I would say it's more light and more flexible unit. I would say, you have more
Right.
space. It's a lighter design events. I would say.
Correct, but also speaking of the lighter events, if you choose to have bigger screen like 28 square meters,
It works.
It
It
also
makes-
works
yeah.
for the bigger showcase or
Yes.
concert. Imagine like you have both of the trailers
Yeah.
on the same size. And bigger concert, it works very well. So this we believe the biggest advantage for the PlatformLED against the MobiLED. But going straight into the MobiLED, the first, the most noticeable feature is of course the enclosed version of this trailer. In front, you are getting more storage space. The equipment, you can have all of your media center in one trailer. In the control room, which is available for this trailer, you can have a single control room for one operator, and also the bigger version of the trailer, the little bit longer one. But this allows you to have bigger space for even three person. So you can have installed a lot of equipment, screens, connection to your audio system, and more. And of course, because it's enclosed, it's better for a harsh weather condition like winter time and
rain.
and rain. This is the biggest advantage in MobiLED. In terms of the stage arrangement and design, you can use some wallpapers on the walls. We have
Exactly.
also
For the commercial, especially.
for the commercials. So we have also noticed that how our clients use the MobiLED in this particular case, and this would be the biggest advantage between both. Speaking of MobiLED extra features, it gives you a little bit more possibility to have something extra like the mover, like the lighting above the outriggers. So the first one is about the electric motors you can install on the wheels of your trailer. This is a very nice feature. Not all of the customers know about it, that when you install the mover on the wheels of your trailer, you can remotely rotate and move your trailer around without the vehicle. It's very useful feature, especially on the crowded parking lot places when it's
There's not
even
much
it's
space for
available.
the car, for the
When the
truck.
place is limited, that will help you to move the trailer directly
Yes.
to the place where you want to put it. So
Yeah.
that gives your work easier, way easier.
Correct.
Then you have to put it with the car. Yeah.
So it's available only for MobiLED, and of course lighting above the outriggers in lights the spot where the long outriggers are deployed, so it prevents the pedestrians or people around the crowded places not to fall over it. So it's kind of a safety feature.
But what do they have in common?
And of course, there's something that puts all of those units together, which is the quality. All of those units are in accordance to the same building procedure. The understructure and the base of each trailer is the same, and the quality is something that connects those together. And speaking of quality, Joanna, I think
we need to mention here that all of the trailers built in ScreenLED are approved by TÜV Thüringen inspectors and inspection. If it is required, our trailers can get the German Baubuch, Prüfbuch, TÜV Prüfbuch, that's how we call it professionally, I guess. If you don't need that, that's okay, but still the trailers are built the same way. We are using the same raw materials, the same procedures, the same operations. This is built with the same hands of our people, the same way. So you don't have to worry that if it's not approved by the TÜV Thüringen inspection, it is lower quality or something. No, it is not. Everything is built the same way.
yes. In a nutshell, you get the same trailers like it would be going to the TÜV Thüringen certification, but the only difference is if you want to have the paperwork.
Yeah, you need to prepare the paperwork and some electric box, which we're going to talk a little bit later in next chapter.
Right.
And also, speaking of the TÜV Thüringen certifications, we need to mention that not only our trailers are approved by them, but also the panels that we offer from our stock from Unilumin, they are also approved by TÜV. But about this details, I want Joanna to speak a little bit more, as she's in charge of this matter in the company.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Joanna, and I am responsible for LED screen sale in ScreenLED company. The main question is why URM3 from the Unilumin group. We tested many different LED screen brands over the years. When we started cooperation with the Unilumin group, we received a lot of positive feedbacks from our clients. Can you imagine that even I, a little woman, managed with panels montage? I tried, and believe me, it's very easy. You are able to build the LED screen wall just in a few minutes. Moreover, especially in emergency situation, you can easily replace the models, and believe me, no one noticed it. Excellent brightness and high refresh rate make your events unforgettable. we both diodes, white faces and black faces, are available. For LED screen, we have also a lot of additional equipment like hanging bars, like processors, like
Flight
light
cases.
cases. So you can, if you choose our LED screen from the Unilumin, you will for sure not regret. So thank you for your attention, and my colleagues will continue.
Thank you, Joanna.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
also would like to mention here is not that we not only sell our screens, also the trailers can be built for your screens. Of course, after approval of our designing department that must first approve your panels, but most of them, if they are rental type,
Yes.
they are approved. So yeah.
We have to also remind the customers the Unilumin screens have the TUV Rayland certification. So
Yeah, that's yeah.
that's also what Joanna says. So we are totally sure our trailers will be can be certified by TUV.
Yes, choosing Unilumin brought our idea because we want the unit, the trailer, to be a complete, high-quality solution. That's why we have chosen the best quality, also approved by TÜV certifications. So that makes a complete solution with the best possible quality trailer and the best possible quality screen already tested in the various conditions.
And also needs to be mentioned here that we do have the stock of those panels. It's
Right.
not that we are delivering them from China, we have to wait. We do have them ex stock.
Yeah, happy you mentioned about it, Joanna,
Yeah.
because this means that we can provide quick lead time of the trailers. Because we have the screens waiting for us and for the client already here in our stock.
Yes, we do have several big deliveries during the year, so there is no worry that we have to wait another 3 months or
Yes.
whatever for the screens. We do have them on stock.
Yeah.
We might need some extra meters, but this is something which we have in regular delivery system.
Yeah, but considering the last several months, it was like hundreds of square meters
Yes.
coming monthly. It proves that ScreenNet is
We
world leader in
sold
these trailers.
actually about 2,000 square meters, if I'm correct.
On trailers.
On
trailers.
So you
trailers.
can imagine how popular this solution is, and we are glad to say that this solution is chosen for by our clients,
Yeah,
and also the clients who are coming back to us.
yeah.
So this
And we have
proves
to
the
mention
trust.
right now we have worldwide customers, and our company in following the traffic regulations, which are the most important for our
Right.
customers, to be
Mhm.
sure they will be allowed to drive on the streets in the other countries. So, Joanna, maybe you can say us about something more about the regulation in US and in Europe.
First, we need to mention that our trailers, as you just said, are in the roads of countries in over 40 countries in the world so far, and we are making them, we are producing them according to our own homologation, which means we have approved the whole construction of the trailers with the frame and so on. So correct me if I'm wrong, Bartek, please. We are doing this according to European homologation. That means what?
Tak, mamy dwie homologacje. Jedna jest na Stany Zjednoczone, druga jest na Europę. Z tym, że nasze przyczepy, które spełniają homologację europejską, muszą mieć odpowiednie wymogi pod względem oświetlenia drogowego, elektryki oraz również hamulców oraz osi. Tak samo tyczy się to przyczep związanych z Ameryką. Muszą być tam odpowiednie osie, odpowiedni układ hamulcowy oraz odpowiednie oświetlenie bazujące w tym danym kraju bądź miejscu świata.
Okay, so shortly translating this, he just said that the homologation for the Europe is approved with the lights system, with braking system, and with the axle system, and the measures of the frames of the construction also is approved in the by the European standards, and the same thing happens with the American version. Also, another braking system, light system, and different axle system is also approved by US DOT. And also very worth to mention is that our trailers are approved and placed in the Transport Canada base. which is also quite important information for America's side, for the west side of the world.
All of those information that are confirmed by our customers in all over the world, which one are our customers, which one are buying from us, and which one also picking up the trailers and here from Poland. I have to say, we are taking care also about the registration and insurance of the trailer and here, and we always recommend for our customers to come here to process the training for yourself and for the team from the company, and here in the headquarters. That's what's important.
Of course, it's free of charge, right?
It's free of charge. It's in price. We always invite the customers, and we are happy when we can show all the possibilities of the trailers and here.
It is actually quite highly and strictly recommended to come over here to the company, to have the free of charge training in the company with our specialists, with us as the translators. You can ask as many questions as you want. You can test the trailer by yourself. It is, in my opinion, very, very important for future
Correct.
using.
Of course, we always provide you with the instruction manuals for each trailer in accordance to the project you have purchased, but it is highly recommended to come over and have the training run, because you need to get a hang of it yourself. You need to touch, to use, to operate the trailer yourself, to ask the possibility of asking questions.
And get some extra tips from our workers how to use some items like outriggers. There are many advantages of coming over here.
And a good
and
cup
picking
of
up
Italian
this-
coffee
Yeah.
from our new expert.
Yes. And good sweets from local bakery.
There is more. This is really unrecommended not to come.
Obligatory.
And after this
Correct.
sweets, you can be sure you can easily drive home with the insurance. So you can pick up the trailer and drive on the wheel, pick up the trailer to your truck and drive, because the trailer is insured. So
Right.
the way should be easy for you, and you always you're not afraid about any situation on the way.
But it is necessary to mention that in terms of insurance for delivery, it is safer to have the delivery performed as a cargo. I mean, to deliver the transport on already arranged transportation, like a mega trailer or open semi trailer. So the insurance in case of delivery will cover everything if the trailer is delivered as cargo. That's much better for deliveries.
After the training, that's
After
important.
the training,
yeah.
after the training and coffee.
To summarize few points and few answers which we already received, you know mostly everything about the MobiLED and PlatformLED differences. You know everything about the TUV certification and our screens. You just heard something about the traffic regulation, and you know about registration and insurance. After the most of the purchases which we have, the customers mostly asking about the warranty.
Right. So we have our internal quality control in the company, but we are happy to give our clients warranty, which everybody asks for, and it is always
pleasure.
wanted to have one. And of course, in our products, we provide 36 months warranty for the trailer, and separately 24 months warranty for the screen. It's important to mention that this is separated because the trailer is a little bit different component in terms of warranty understanding, and the screen, because the screen from time to time, as you probably know, and its LED modules needs replacement. Sometimes right before the event you might need one. So we come with a solution here, providing you spare modules, spare power supply, spare receiving cards. The quantity of it depends, of course, on the final outcome of the quotation of the contract between you and us. But finally, you feel comfortable, you feel protected with your spare parts for the screen. When it comes to the warranty and other extra services, it depends what actually happened with the trailer. Fortunately, there is not too many issues we face. Most of them are solved just sending the replacement part to the client. But if there's something extra needed to be performed, we decide together with the client if it is better for us to send the service cars over there. Yes, we do have one. It's possible to have it sent to any countries around Europe. And if it's needed, on the other hand, we can have the trailer brought up here to Poland for for the maintenance. All of it is provided for you to feel safe and comfortable with your already purchased trailer.
And this is exactly the moment when we should speak about the promo we have right now, definitive edition. But before we're gonna do it, it's a time to say about the
Yes.
ScreenLED Championship.
Yeah, the small entertaining part. It is like a few weeks ago we have come up with the idea, feeling the spirit of the sports event going around the world, Olympic Games and Euro. So going along with this idea, we ran a new competition for our clients who have PlatformLED or MobiLED. The idea is about having recorded how you open your trailer from the scratch to the very top, to the end of putting the screen from your trailer up. And this is a championship that gives the winner. If your time is the best with opening the trailer, you can win a video controller. This is all-in-one powerhouse which allows you to video process the content from the laptop on the screen. It's something always between the source and the screen. It transmits the video. You need it every time you want to display the content on the LED screen. This can be yours if your time is the best. And you just need to record your trailer, how you open it from the very beginning to the very top when the screen is ready to go. And if your time is, let's say, less than 15 minutes, because we already have timings like 12, 13 minutes, if your time is better, you can have this. It's worth like 1,200 euros, so I think it's a steal. It's good to have one, right?
It's great you mentioned about this, then we already received some video and we see
Yeah.
how impressive time you already get. So we would like to find the fastest, of course, safety way to open our trailer.
According to
improve-
the
our
manuals.
yeah, and the rules.
Right.
But we see how creative you are. So thank you for the videos we get already, and we wait for the next one.
And probably with the allowance of our clients, we will be able to show you some of those videos in the next webinar, which is coming a little bit
September.
right after 1 month from now. So this is going to be the time when we are going to reveal the winner and ship the video processor to the happy user. Speaking of definitive edition, because you just mentioned a little bit about it.
Yes, this is the moment when we have to mention about the definitive edition promo which one we get.
Yeah, currently we run a special edition sale for our trailers, which is a definitive edition trailer, a definitive edition campaign. So the first question, what is definitive edition trailer? Basically, this is fully equipped trailer with most common features chosen by our clients, which we filter along the way with the purchases.
We check the most popular features and we put them in the definitive edition.
We put this all in the definitive edition, giving extra advanced electric box.
Yes, each of the trailers will have already installed extended electrical box. Yes, that means that in future, if you decide to get the German TÜV Prüfbuch, you're gonna be able to get approved by the inspectors and get the Baubuch. So yeah, this is something extra. We don't normally do that. Those trailers, all of them, they will have that automatically, free of charge.
Yes, 24 trailers only.
Even with the discount.
And the discount is something that we need to emphasize, because we are giving you -20% for MobiLED and -15% for PlatformLED. So this is really a steal, considering that in a new year, probably, considering the global situation for all the operational costs and labor costs, some prices might go up. So this is the last time we are giving such a discount for our trailers. This is not like a pushing for say, but this is the truth that this is the best price you can have for the trailer now. And it's a well-equipped trailer with extended electric box, fully fledged for TÜV Thüringen, the maximum, the highest quality possible, the cheapest in this year. So I think it's crucial to, if you consider having one, it's crucial to have the decision still in this year.
And we guarantee that this trailer will be in your hands within end of January next
Correct.
year.
Because
The latest.
this is only for 24 trailers, which are being continuously built in our
Exactly.
production. This is because we have join together the optimization of the production, optimization of the supply, and this together gave us possibility to drop the price for the well-equipped trailer. So I would really recommend considering having another or a new trailer this year.
Yeah, before the season comes, before the new prices of New Year's will come.
Yes.
Probably they're gonna surprise all of us, but yeah, you're gonna be prepared really well for the next upcoming season.
Yeah, of course, our prices justify the quality, but it's really important to not forget about the discount and the definitive edition trailer.
That's important what you also say. That's limited edition, only 24 trailers we start.
Yes.
Now it's already less, so
Yeah.
the time to order is a little bit shorter than we all expect.
Yes.
Because
Almost
especially
all the
the-
October is fully booked,
Exactly,
so
so-
not too many are left.
now too many are left, and to have it, of course, we have to show the process of the ordering the trailer. What's the most important for you and for us, just to speak about the few steps which one are in between first contact to us and pick up the trailer. That's the first, like always, that's the contact with the sales department. And tech negotiation, of course, speaking about the features which one you need for the trailer and the size of the screen you expect and you need. We always support you in this choice to pick up the best size for you, for your business, to develop it as soon as possible. The next step is, of course, accepting the rules and passing us the information for when you need a trailer.
Yeah.
Following the schedule which one we get, we try to
I'm
find
sorry,
the
I have
fastest,
to correct
the best
you. Before we do confirm to the customer the delivery date, first of all, is we need to get the deposit. So after the deposit, we are passing this to the production system. This is also very cruel.
No, money is just a small issue.
Yeah, but
this is
the
thing.
most important thing is that just after you get the deposit from us, we have the production system quite professional already made. And after the order confirmation, it's not, we are able to give you the almost exact date when this trailer will be ready. And we are,
Yes.
as we have this system, so after getting the order confirmation, everything goes to the system, starting from our designers, purchasing department and stuff like that. And then we are able to confirm exact date, approximately maximum 2 weeks. That you're gonna be sure you're gonna have this trailer with your own. You're not gonna be surprised that something is happening, something is delayed, or something is not, actually working.
Yes.
After
Everything is
that,
connected.
That's why,
yes,
yeah.
that is, after that we are able to arrange the delivery as a delivery way. Either you are picking it up from us, either you want us to arrange the transport for you to your country. We take care of all the custom things from
That's
our
true.
side. We are also arranging, of course, on your request, a type of the transport. We are sure we are using the best logistic companies with good insurance, with good
Yes.
experience. We do not send our trailers with, whatever car
Unknown,
truck
yeah.
available.
Yes.
So we are really good experience in logistic. Those trailers are not only, trailers just to be shipped away, but we really do care about them. We ship them all over the world, and very, very important, we do have regular deliveries to states, which is very, I would say, important to mention that we are sending, I don't know, over 10 units per year to states. All of them, they are shipped safely to US, to East Coast of US, to the ports of East Coast in the States, or to our warehouse in Tampa. And none of them happened to be destroyed or something happened. All is insured. We do have companies that we cooperate regularly. So if by any chance you decide you are not able to pick it up or arrange it by yourself, you can feel free. We will do that for you.
Correct.
So that's also confirmation you can pick up your trail in US on the wheels, ready to go, yeah?
Yeah, we provide the service door to door. So starting with negotiation, the technical negotiations, there's the order confirmation against the deposit. Later on, the project is being started. You are having your own personal project number given to you. And once the trailer is ready, we are notifying you 2-3 weeks before. Of course, along the way, you can be
updated.
notified and
Updated,
be
of course.
updated, and we keep you posted regarding the process. And before it's ready, we are notifying you in time to prepare and arrange together the transportation, which is most suitable for you. So in these 4 quick steps, you can understand how the purchase process runs, and I think that would be it for the purchase process.
It is.
What else do we have for our guests?
For our audience, for all of the audience, which one you're getting here, for all of the future customers,
Mhm.
we have a special gift, which one is reduce the down payment for.
Right. As a special gift and to appreciate your trust and your time here, for all of those who are taking a part in this webinar, you are able to reduce the down payment deposit down to 30%. It also depends what is the final choice of yours for the trailer, what's the quantity, so we can keep the negotiations running about the finances. But basically, we feel safe and strong enough to deliver everything 100% with your satisfactory door-to-door to your warehouse.
And this is a great moment to go to the question and answers.
So it's already finished.
I hope we have already a lot of questions from our customers, so we will take a look in the chat. The first question I see, how high will price to go? Yeah, it's hard to say right now what's going to be in the future, how high it goes.
We can. It's not about the guess. Of course,
We can see what was happening each year
it's
before.
challenging to say how much exactly is going to go up. Probably it might be between 10 to 15%. We can already say. So
Last year we had 15.
15.
15%, yeah.
So taking off the 20% from the MobiLED and adding up to this the 15% in the new year, if we go with this estimation, the difference between the prices will be around 30-35% in the new year. So you can see how much different it's going to be in the new year. So again, it's no pushing, but really now it's the best and the easiest time to consider this investment. And this investment, as our clients proves, turns back
Pays.
quite quickly, and
Yeah.
it pays off. Some of the clients from France gave me a quotation just as a reference that he got like almost 9,000 euro for 1 week for the MobiLED. It's true, a quote from France. It of course depends on the surrounding, the locals and environment, the events.
You are talking about rental.
About the rental.
Okay.
So you can already see how quickly it can pays off to you. Not to mention that it
And the
gets more
price-
popular now.
Yeah, exactly. And the prices are getting high for the rental.
Correct, and this is also the good foundation for the investment here, and
Yeah.
it proves and it justifies that now it's the best time to do it. Especially the prices for the rental goes up again, the popularity of the MobiLED solution also widen up. So having the trailer that can unfold your LED screen in less than 15 minutes rather than having a few hours for your truss construction gives you the best possible investment you can have or
Also, what is
MobiLED
worth to mention is that our clients that already have their own trailers, they come back for more. They can come back
Yes,
for
yes,
extra
yes.
extra
Let's confirm
units.
the quality, yeah.
So yes, quality, of course, they are coming back here. But what it means that the requests for such a units, for such a solutions, for outdoor events, for quick how do you say, quick unfolding of the
Yeah.
screens is so popular, and it's really working. It's really worth to invest. So not only the backup from our clients that the rental cost is getting higher, but also we noticed that our clients are coming back for an extra units.
I would say that it's even like over half of the clients are coming back
Yeah,
clients,
yeah.
or returning customers.
Returning customers.
So yeah, we are very happy to admit that, and this is
But also it's a good sign for the market of the events, of the mobile solutions, of the rental of such a equipment, that we see the signs. You guys watching this might not know that, because I'm not sure if everybody of you has this unit, but this is the signs from our market, from our clients. So this is also worth to consider.
Basically, every single year we deliver more trailers.
Yes.
worldwide. So that proves that the popularity grows
Yeah.
of these solutions.
Probably you have seen on our photos that we have in front of our factory our new building, production building, where we do the welges, only welges, as we cannot fit in our only building, our previous building. So it means we are growing up, and the request for the units is getting bigger. So it also
Yeah. So it is very important that the trailers are the units which are very flexible in terms of mobile LED business for rentals, for events, for many other purposes, showcasing, concert, and so on. I think that would justify the reason why not having this new or another trailer this year.
True. We are still waiting for more questions from the customers. So maybe in this time.
Basically, we have already answered many. So
That's true.
this is another webinar where we revealed most of the miseries around the industry, our product, how to use it, where you can use it, what's best or better, and of course those questions we have just answered were the questions we received
mostly from
from our clients. So
Yeah.
we believe you feel satisfied with what you got here today. If you have any other question or something comes up to your mind anytime later, feel free to contact us anytime.
Yeah.
On email, WhatsApp, you have our numbers. Everything is provided on our website.
On our website, yeah, I want to say about our website. We have a great configurator made on our website, where you can choose the type of the trailer you are interested in, the size, all the features that you are
Yeah.
interested in. Also, there is an extra configurator, extra link, where you have this configurator for this definitive edition.
Yes, yes.
So
I'm glad you mentioned.
yeah, so it's good, it's well done by our marketing department. So you can also go there and get more details
Yeah.
about this, and then automatically.
Believe me,
you're
you
gonna
won't miss it. It pops out every time
Yeah.
you enter the website. Like 15 seconds, it pops out, so you won't miss it.
Yeah, so you will not ask for regular price. Automatically, you will be asked for the
I have a question from the customers directly for Bartek. So, is it possible to extend the size of the screen by adding extra panels on the platform screen?
Czy możemy,
Czy możemy powiększyć rozmiar
czy możemy
ekranu?
powiększyć? Ja znam odpowiedź.
I think the first
Konstruktor nie jest tej potrzebny w takim razie.
This is a question that is, but you can say first. Sure.
No, jeżeli chodzi niestety o platformę i o MobiLEDa, niestety 28 metrów, które mamy, niestety nie możemy powiększyć do większej. To jest ze względu raz na ciężar, no dwa, niestety w MobiLEdzie nie mamy na tyle.
Ja myślę, że
miejsca,
klient się
aby-
pyta o to, czy może na przykład z 15 zrobić 21.
To
Z 20...
z 21, 28
28,
jak najbardziej
tak.
tak. Bądź z 15 na 28 niestety nie, bo chodzi jeszcze wymiana
Kwestia,
masztu.
tak.
To jest kosztowne bardziej po prostu.
Tak,
nie?
so I will. This was a Polish customer who was asking for extending the size of the frame of the screen, and I'm actually because it's quite also popular question I'm receiving. So also Bartek has just mentioned that 28 square meters, which is 23 by 13 feet, is the maximum size of the screen that we can produce and put on that type of the trailer, on that frame. But changing from 21 square meters, which is 20 by 11 feet, to 28 square meters, which is 23 by 13, it is possible. It's just adding half of meter, those small panels, adding some construction to the frame. But from smallest 15, which is 17 by 10, and into 21, which is 20 by 11, might be a little bit problematic changing the mast, but I'm sure it is possible. On special request as a custom solution, we can make it. There was some, yes, it is an extra, it's a little bit extra fees, extra cost as a custom solution, as I said, but it is possible if somebody really needs that. So
there
as you
anything
see,
else?
our trailers, if you buy, for example, as your first one, 15 square meters, then you can get 21 or 21 into 28. Yeah, it is possible. So as you see, our trailers are a little bit more flexible as we sell them as a standard.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's well said.
Yeah. There's also a question about the mover. There's a possibility to add the mover to the platform version.
No.
When you're purchasing, for example, the 28 square meter.
I think we have already mentioned
Especially, yeah.
this topic while comparing MobiLED to the PlatformLED. MobiLED allows you to have this feature, whereas the PlatformLED, because of its chassis construction around, there is no space for the mover near the wheel. So basically, only MobiLED can have this feature.
But platform can have a mover on the drawbar, which is
Yeah, but
optional.
if it is
quite-
as efficient as mover, I would argue, but still there is some possibility, like a custom possibility, to let you rotate your trailer without the vehicle with the mover on the drawbar. Yeah, it is
It is popular, quite popular.
quite
in
popular.
States. In States.
Yeah,
In
in
States,
States.
yeah,
In
mostly.
Europe, I think it's most
It's different.
more
so-
efficient and
yeah.
recommended to have mover on MobiLED. It really works very well and nice and smooth. The movers are very strong, the one we used. It needs a little bit work on the axles. We give extra battery, ionic battery inside the MobiLED, plus of course every single motor and each wheel, giving you a nice power of every wheel, so we can rotate using just remote.
That's why we also recommend to process the training and here with us when we can show all the possibilities of the movers for the customer who already
Yeah.
ordered it.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, at the moment I don't see any more questions for the constructor, so I think we answer most of them during the
Yeah.
Q&A part which we had in the beginning. And if anyone has more questions, that's the right moment to ask the question. Bartek
But
is with
in the
us.
meantime, I would like to also say more about this definitive edition, the units of the definitive edition, that they
Okay.
are quite, it's a good option for having those units in standard, the most popular,
Yeah.
in popular
Configuration.
thank you.
Yeah, you're correct, Jana. This is the most common, the most chosen features pack in this trailer. You can feel comfortable with this one to have everything with what is needed
Yeah.
for your event. If you choose 15 square meter screen or even bigger, this is already being manufactured.
Yeah. So also, as we said about our production system, that is continuously, and it's regular. How do you say that? Regular.
Basically, we run constant production.
Constant production.
It refers to the individual orders we receive, but also we constantly build stock trailers.
Yes.
So we are ready for every circumstance that would.
So what I'm
unexpected
trying to
orders.
say is that if you are not ready by getting a new trailer yet, you still can just save or book this trailer for you.
Yeah.
By paying just this lower deposit, and you can book it, and by end of January, collected from.
I think before the end of this year, the last definitive edition trailer will have to be dispatched.
By end of January.
By the end of the January.
January, yes.
Okay.
By end of
So
January, yeah.
thank you for question. By the end of the January, we can have the last trailer being dispatched, and as just Joanna mentioned, you can book yourself this production slot
Now.
against the deposit
Yes,
now.
and then pick it up next year, beginning of next
in
year.
the beginning of the next year.
Yeah.
Because starting the new year, there's the new high season, and all those new prices will start to
Yeah.
be valid. So once more, we are encouraging you to benefit and take advantage of this definitive edition campaign. Maciej, do we have any more questions?
I have. Can we change the material of the platform cover or brand it?
We can brand.
Yes.
We can. We have it in the offer.
Good question. Good question, because some people may think that, okay, MobiLED is enclosed, there are walls, it's boxed trailer, so my screen is better protected. Yes and no at the same time, because PlatformLED is the trailer with the screen on the open board floor, but We provide a tarpaulin cover for the screen, which protects your screen during the transportation. You just need to uncover, take it out for your event, and the screen is ready to be unfolded. So yes, you can have tarpaulin cover on the PlatformLED, and yes, you can have the branding on this cover. You can even have the branding on the
Trailer, yeah.
on the trailer.
Yeah,
and
because we
more.
also didn't mention that there is also an option to have so-called skirt around the
Yes,
trailer. We
sure.
forgot about this.
Which
because
one can
of
be
course it
branded?
is not included in the definitive edition version, but it is
Yeah.
an extra item.
It's
that
an
can be
extra
added.
feature, and it makes it's the thing that I was mentioning before about the stage arrangement and design. It helps you to do a little bit, because you can have the tarpaulin cover around the board of the trailer, around the chassis of the trailer. You can have the branding on it, so it lets your trailer and your business around it pops out better. It makes your advertising more vivid, and of course reinforce your business picture there.
What's the biggest screen you can make? That's the next
For
question.
Europe, the biggest one is 28 square meters. But what we did for States is 36 square meters. But of course, America has their own rules. It was a nice unit we were showing on Las Vegas NAB show this April. And it was a question from somebody from Europe or
From Europe,
From
from
Europe.
Europe.
Okay. So I just want to say that for Europe, the 28 square meters is the maximum as the request and the limit of the weight, 3.5 tons.
If you are talking about the trailer.
If you're talking about exactly, because we can say also about the containers.
Yeah, if we are talking about the trailer, yes. And the customer did ask about the trailer, or?
Didn't specify yet, but
Okay, so the 28 is on the trailer. Of course, we can have it on the container, marine container, about which Michał can say much more than me. But I want to say that the 36 square meters screen was placed on the MobiLED on the trailer, which was on triple axles. It was a huge thing we were showing. It was really popular and really admired during the show. Of course, it was sold out immediately. And it will be available for the Americans market any soon. Actually, this year it will be shipped over there.
Yeah.
But it's not possible at this moment with our homologation to produce anything like that for Europe.
And small surprise about bigger screens. We are currently in a process of having something bigger. I will not reveal all the details right now, but there is going to be some nice surprise, hopefully still in this year. This is for the trailer. This idea came up to us while considering bigger screens on the trailers, but this is still something we need to wait before revealing more details about.
Even I'm not aware of that.
Speaking of container LED, which as Joanna mentioned, yes, we can make a bigger screen than 2836. This is actually 45 or even 63, or if there is a custom requirement from the client, we can have bigger than that. But let's go back to the 63 square meters. This is going to be container LED. This is a little bit different unit than trailer. It requires a truck with a BDF platform that allows you to put the container on it and deliver, still being as a mobile solution, to your client. And yeah, this is quite impressive. This is for the biggest events, the most gargantuic and most
We have sold
features.
these containers to France.
We sold a lot to
on the
France
Olympic,
for
right?
Olympic Games, especially now to France. There are a few units there. There are a few units in Japan. There are some in UK. Around the world, we have impressive amount of container LEDs, and this is the most advanced product we have in our offer. But if you want to know more details about container LEDs, we have already ran a webinar about this. You can go back to our YouTube channel, which we really encourage you to visit. There is a lot of more information about the container LED. There was a visit in France where we have paid a visit to our client. He deployed himself his container, launched it, deployed and unfolded all the screen. There was an interview with the client. There is much more content, very interesting and entertaining. So go ahead to our YouTube channel and check out more details about the container LED. For every single unit we deliver, we can send you the specification of each trailer, of if it's a container LED, of any other product we provide, because we have another branches in our company. Once you mail us, you can have the specification, so you can see the dimensions, the power supply, where's the connection, the sockets, if the power generator is available for it or not. There's a lot of more information you can get by just contacting us or visiting our YouTube channel, so feel free to do.
I have two more questions from our customers. One about the winter usage of the trailers.
Winter usage of the trailers. I think it's about
How
the weather
trailer-
conditions
yeah,
and how
exactly.
it performs in weather conditions.
Exactly.
I think winter usage would be the question mostly to you, as
Exactly.
you are in charge of Scandinavian market, but for sure MobiLED would be the one
In
to
this
go here.
case, that's the one which I will recommend, especially in the MobiLED. You have enclosed control room when the operator can sit in a warm place. We can protect the roof by the polycarbon roof. So when it's rainy, when it's cold, you can easily sit inside and control everything from inside of the trailer. That will help you. Especially on trailers are prepared for operation by one person.
Yes.
Opening
Yes.
only
That's
15
important.
up to 15 minutes. So one person which one can fully operate the trailer in winter, in a winter condition when it's cold, sitting inside in a warm place. Even with the heating many times, because some of the customers which we have already installed the electric heating, so that will prepare our trailers. If we talk about the construction, if we talk about the preparing of the screen, so of course screen is ready to work up to minus 20 centigrades, and our trailer is ready to work easily with the minus more than, Bartek, can you help me?
Minus 20, nie?
More than
Tak.
minus,
Yeah.
in around minus 20 also. So our trailer is fully prepared for the winter weather conditions, and I'm not really afraid of it.
And we actually do have clients which use our trailers only in cold
Winter.
weather conditions, winter time.
We have many customers which
Yeah.
are showing our trailers during the ski shows, during the ski jumping competitions. So in Scandinavia, in European countries,
In
we
Austria,
have
Alps, Alp
yeah.
countries.
Yes, there
in
are
all
some
countries.
clients that they are towing the trailer
Very
with
high.
rat trucks.
Yeah.
So
Sorry, we should have shown this to.
I think if somebody of you will remind himself to get this picture, we really have clients who tow our trailers using rat truck. So this is really
On the slope,
harsh,
on the Alpine
on the
slope.
slope up the hill. So it proves that our trailers are strong enough even for this
kind of conditions and
weather
for
conditions.
the upper ski parties.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's good you
yes.
mentioned about this because one of the future customers, I believe, asked about the mounting of the winter ski on my future 28 B28 trailer. So if it's possible to make it, but
What?
czy jest możliwość zamontowania
Nart.
nart?
Yeah, that's what we
Płot
just.
jako.
That's what we just
Nie, że
mentioned.
jakby-
Our client just made it from. Bartek is new in our company. Rafał, the other constructor, is longer, and I know from his point that we do not. That will be an extra constructions work to install
Correct.
it.
Basically, we can almost have everything done extra on the trailer, but it needs to be approved
By
by
our
all our
department.
processes, our departments. We can have a microwave inside the MobiLED if you'd like to, but this is speaking of extra features. We need to also consider
Safety.
the safety. There's some kind of homologation,
Yes.
certificate of conformity. There's a lot of documentation which, apart from the physical safety of the trailer itself, it's needed in terms of formalities. So it's not like we can have everything you can imagine. Physically, it is possible, but we need to have some approvals here inside our company, and it needs to go through the process. So
Because the safety
yeah.
here in this company, the safety first. So if you want to have those
Extra future, whatever it's gonna be. Yeah.
this other type of wheels, we cannot say we can do that. Of course, we can do that after an extra approvals or.
the limit is the money.
Yeah, the
And
limit
let's
is-
finish this
Yeah.
with this statement.
The next question is how big is the control room? And that's the moment we can say about two types of the control room. The standard one for one person and the bigger one for three operators.
Well, just taking it out of head at this moment, the control room, the advanced one,
The advanced
Yes.
one.
It is
a few
the-
square meters.
It's
space.
half square meter long, as the frame is half meter, 50 centimeters
meter.
longer. It's half meter.
Okay,
Mhm.
but the trailer is longer
Yeah.
by
Yes.
half meter, but the space inside is longer than that.
Yeah.
Tak, to jest właśnie pół metra.
To jest to
nie?
pół metra. This is just this 50 centimeter wide.
Troszeczkę mniej to wychodzi, ale
So the trailer is half meter longer.
With the desk all over width of the trailer. For three people, it's absolutely enough to sit.
Yes.
Yeah, please remember you can put there easily three places. You can get the fully equipped place for operators. We have many customers which already has been chosen
Fully
the
equipped
size.
with the
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
And we also have a lot of
finishing.
pictures also on the site when you get the
Yeah,
fully
correct.
equipped.
Visit our website again. There are some pictures with the advanced control room and the smaller one. The advanced one allows you to have three operators inside. There are three seats. There's a desk. There's a heater for
or air conditioner.
and air condition if you'd like to, and you can benefit from the bigger space, control room, and some kind of media center inside the trailer right away.
We don't have any more questions from the chat, so
Okay, have answered plenty.
I would like to, of course, invite all of the people all of the viewers watching to contact us if you have any more questions. If you would like to ask about the definitive edition models, if you would like to ask about the construction again, please contact us directly. We are available on the site. You can check our contact details.
Yes.
You
Don't
can
forget
also-
about the competition, the challenge. If some of you already have the trailer from ScreenLED, you can just record the video and send to us
How
and
you set up
easily
your
win.
yeah how you set up your trailer. Is
Yeah.
it platform or is it MobiLED? Doesn't matter. Just show us how you settle this up and how you do that. Of course, the idea is how you do that the fastest way.
Yes.
So yeah, that's good fun. We already seen some videos and it's really fun. So
Yeah.
share with us how you work with this.
Correct. And don't forget there's going to be another webinar.
September.
I think it's going to be probably at 6 September. We are going to notify you about it once we have this confirmed. There is going to be a lot of entertaining content, basically more ready videos for you to see. There is going to be a video how we operate the trailer. We will describe the features of the trailer live on the trailer, going around it.
And we're gonna
So-
know the winner of the championships.
And of course, we reveal the winner of the championship. There's going to be really a lot of entertaining things happening there in this next webinar, so feel invited already.
Yeah. So September, you probably most of you gonna be back from your holidays,
Yes.
ready to work in normal
Yes.
normal way.
And thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. As of course we know that this is, as Joanna just mentioned, a holiday time, and some of you we already know are doing their holidays. So this is much more appreciated,
That you
especially
joined
for
us.
this reason.
Yeah.
So thank you again. If some of you have anything else to say, go ahead. But I think we have
I think
filled
we
all the
have-
questions and
exactly.
covered every single concern.
Thank you, Dirk, for joining us.
Yeah, I would like to say hello to Andy from Italy, James from UK, Didier from France, and there is more clients, friends
Norbert.
out there. So thank you for joining. It is really a pleasure to cooperate, to talk to you, and hope for more fruitful business together.
Thank you very much, and see you in September again.
See you
Yeah,
September. You
and
must
if
be
any
there.
questions, just let us know by mail or by WhatsApp
Or just
whatever.
Call
us.
anytime.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye bye.